If we will not only receive the love of God, but receive it in ourselves to start loving ourselves, rolling up your sleeves on yourself and starting to love yourself. You said it's not about us, it's not about me. I was trying desperately to love others. I was trying to be a good wife, a good mother, a good minister. I was failing miserably because I had loving behavior, but I didn't have love for myself. And you cannot give away what you do not have. Things where you run after those things in life and then you get there and you look around and you think, this is it? This is what I chase so hard after? We do that with so many things, and that's what it was for me. Getting up on that float, I looked around and I thought, I'm still the same person. I'm still seeing in the mirror the same things. I still have the same issues and trials and temptations and all of those things. You know, it's not just about this. There was interior stuff, or internal stuff, I should say, going on that the crown and the costumes didn't take away. Hi ladies, this is Jennifer Beckham, the author of Get Over Yourself. Just stopping by to tell you how excited I am about our upcoming time together, where we're going to roll up our sleeves and get into this book. There's 7 principles we're going to be taking a look at. 7 principles to get over ourselves and on with our destiny. I want to invite you to bring a friend. It'll be for any girl or any woman from the ages of 14 to 114. Bring them with you. And in the meantime, please log on to getoveryourselfnow.com, and there you'll be able to find out more about the book. You'll be able to place an order. The book is actually available right now, so make sure you get your copy today and join us for this exciting event where we're going to be taking a look at exactly biblically how to get over yourselves. We'll see you there.